Price list report. If you are offering different prices to different customers, you will need to create separate price list for each group of customers. After you create price list, you can view item prices in price list. You can access this report from Items, Reports, Price List. You can select Price List. You can select Items. You can select item categories. You can select item status. You can select item type. You can select inclusive price or exclusive price. Hit the report button. From this report, you can view item code, item description, item category, item unit, and price list prices. In this report, there are two price lists. You can view the item prices for each price list. Here prices displaying exclusive prices. If you want to view inclusive prices, you can select inclusive price and refresh. You can view each price list item prices. You can export this report to PDF, Excel, and CSV. You can print or email this report.